Hello children, welcome again to another class of English language for class 4. Today we will be doing chapter number 5, question 8, and we will be changing our sentences into questions using question tag. Now if we have a look at the first example, I have written she isn't here. And where is the helping verb? The helping verb is. But this sentence is in the negative form. So while writing the question tag, while changing it into the question tag, we write the sentence as it is, but then we change the helping verb, which was isn't, into the positive form. And then what do? After writing the helping verb, we write the pronoun or the noun. So let us have a look at the first example. She isn't here. So what did we do? We copied down the question or the sentence as the same. She isn't here. Then we took the helping verb and we wrote a comma here, and we wrote the helping verb after the comma along with the pronoun, and we put a question mark to it. So what was my answer? She isn't here, comma, is she. Now if you have a look at the second sentence, you have you can come. Now what's the helping verb in this? The helping verb is can. So what did we do? We wrote the sentence as it is, you can come, and we made a comma here and we wrote down the helping verb. Since this sentence was in the positive form, what did we do? We added the not form over here, the short form of not, and after that we wrote the pronoun. So what was my answer? You can come, can't you? So let's have a look at the next example. She lives in Delhi. If you have a look at the sentence, there is no helping verb here, but there is a main verb. And the main verb has a S to it. So when we have sentences like this and we need to change it into a question, what do? We use does. So since the sentence is in the negative form, we copied the sentence as it is. We made a comma over here, and then since the helping verb, the main verb had a S, we wrote does, and we wrote the short form of not. So doesn't she? So what's my answer? She lives in Delhi, comma, doesn't she, question mark. If you look at the next example, they want help. So what did I do? Since there was no helping word, I focused mainly on the main verb, and the main verb is want. So since it is in the base form, I use the word do. So the sentence is in the positive form. So what I do? I copy it down as it is, they want help, and the full stop changes into a question mark. Since the verb was in the main form, the base form, I use do, and I use the short form of not. So it becomes don't, and then I use they. So what's my answer? They want help, don't they, question mark. Now if you have a look at the next question or the sentence, I have written she looked happy. Again, there is no helping verb, but the verb is in the past tense form, in the V2 form. So since it's in the past tense form, what do I use? I use did. So it's a positive sentence. I write she looked happy, comma. Since the verb was already in the past tense, what did I use? Did, and I changed it into a negative form, negative question tag. So didn't she? So I hope children you have understood how to change sentences into questions using question tags.